Ever dreamt of being a movie director but without the hassle of wrangling actors who think they're devas? Well, drones don't demand bottled spring water or throw tantrums, they just fly. In 2025, the new crop of drones is ready to take your filmmaking to the skies, literally. From capturing a bird's eye view to buzzing through action scenes that even Michael Bay would envy, these flying machines will have you shooting epic footage while keeping your sanity intact. Buckle up, because the best cinematic drones of 2025 are here to make your films take flight, minus the Hollywood drama. Number 10. DJI Air 3. High-quality zoom and flight modes. The DJI Air 3 is a versatile addition to DJI's lineup for 2025, particularly attractive to filmmakers looking for creative zoom options. The drone is equipped with a telephoto camera, adding intimacy and drama to shots with a zoom equivalent of 162mm. One of the coolest features is the new Waypoint Flight Mode, which allows users to pre-plan flight paths and camera movements for multiple takes or stunning time-lapse videos. Whether you're shooting a romantic sunset or capturing epic urban landscapes, the Air 3's ability to precisely repeat flights means you can get the exact same shot at different times of the day, seamlessly blending them in post-production. For filmmakers, this means increased flexibility and creativity when composing complex shots that require precision and timing. Number 9. DJI Mitris 30, the all-rounder with zoom and thermal capability. The DJI Mitris 30 is an enterprise-level drone that is now making its way into the filmmaking world. It features a 48-megapixel zoom camera with up to 16x optical zoom and a wide-angle camera capable of capturing 8K photos and 4K 30 frames per second video. What makes the Mitris 30 unique is its thermal imaging capability in the M30T version, which can capture thermal visuals and identify heat sources. This could be a great tool for filmmakers capturing scenes at night or in unique situations where thermal imagery adds a creative touch. The drone also comes with 6-way obstacle avoidance sensors, which make it perfect for capturing shots in tight and complex environments. Number 8. DJI Mavic 3 Sign. Cinematic versatility at your fingertips. The DJI Mavic 3 Scene is one of the most powerful consumer drones, offering features that make it suitable for professional use. The Mavic 3 Scene features a dual camera setup, including a main camera with a 24mm equivalent lens that can shoot in 5.1K resolution. A telephoto camera with a 7x zoom allows you to capture those dramatic close-ups without flying too close to your subject. With a flight time of up to 46 minutes, you have ample time to capture the perfect shot. The Mavic 3 Scene's D-Log 10-bit color profile provides extra flexibility during post-production, giving you rich detail in highlights and shadows for dramatic edits. It's perfect for indie filmmakers and vloggers alike, blending ease of use with high-quality visuals. Number 7. Power Vision PowerRay ROV. Underwater filmmaking awaits. Not all filmmaking is done in the sky. The Power Vision PowerRay is an underwater drone that allows filmmakers to explore the deep sea and capture incredible underwater footage. With LED lights for visibility and a dive depth of up to 30 meters, the PowerRay is ideal for capturing marine wildlife or underwater environments. It's an invaluable tool for documentary filmmakers wanting to explore the mysteries of the deep without getting wet. It's also great for adding a unique, aquatic perspective to storytelling, perfect for adventure filmmakers looking to add that extra edge to their footage. Number 6. Sony AirPeak S1. Seamless integration for Sony camera users. The Sony AirPeak S1 is a fantastic choice for filmmakers who already use Sony cameras. It seamlessly integrates with Sony Alpha cameras, providing the high-quality footage that filmmakers expect from Sony's mirrorless systems. The AirPeak S1 offers powerful stabilization even during high-speed flights, which makes it ideal for capturing fast-moving action scenes. With a flight time of up to 22 minutes, depending on the payload, the AirPeak S1 allows filmmakers to capture stunning visuals without compromising on quality. It's the perfect tool for those who want to achieve consistent video quality both in the air and on the ground, particularly if you're already invested in Sony's ecosystem. Number 5. Autel Robotics Evo 2 Pro, Adjustable aperture for creative control. The Autel Robotics Evo 2 Pro comes with a powerful 6K camera and an adjustable aperture ranging from f2.8 to f11, giving filmmakers the flexibility to shoot in a variety of lighting conditions. This is essential when you need creative control over your depth of field. The Evo 2 Pro's impressive 40-minute flight time means less battery swapping during shoots, which is especially useful when capturing longer sequences. This drone is ideal for filmmakers who want detailed, high-resolution footage and the flexibility to adjust their shooting settings for different environments and lighting scenarios. Number 4. DJI Matrix 600 Pro Heavy-Duty Lifting for Cinema Cameras. For professional filmmakers looking to use cinema-grade cameras like Red or Arnold and Richter Scene Technic in aerial shots, the DJI Matrix 600 Pro is the perfect choice. This powerful hexacopter can carry payloads of up to 15 pounds, making it suitable for even the heaviest of professional cinema cameras. The Matrix 600 Pro uses LightBridge 2 technology for HD transmission over long distances and offers a modular design, allowing for easy upgrades. This is not a drone for casual use. It's built for high-end film production where quality is paramount and every shot counts. It's the best choice when you need unmatched footage quality and the flexibility to use your own professional gear. Number 3. DJI Mavic 2 Pro Entry-Level Professional Drone. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro is a great entry-level option for those looking to break into aerial cinematography without sacrificing quality. Featuring a 20-megapixel Hasselblad camera, the Mavic 2 Pro is capable of capturing 4K HDR video, and the 1-inch complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor ensures high-quality images even in low light. It offers 31 minutes of flight time and uses DJI's OcuSync 2.0 for a reliable video transmission up to 5 miles. For filmmakers who need a portable solution that still delivers professional quality footage, the Mavic 2 Pro strikes an excellent balance between quality and convenience. Number 2. DJI Inspire 2 Proven Professional Tool. The DJI Inspire 2 continues to be one of the most reliable drones for professional filmmaking, particularly for complex aerial shots. It supports a variety of cameras, including the Zenmuse X5S and X7, the latter of which features a Super 35mm sensor capable of recording in 6K Cinematography or 5.2K Apple ProRes. The Inspire 2 is capable of high-speed flights, reaching 58 miles per hour, which makes it perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects or dynamic scenes. The Spotlight Pro mode allows a single pilot to maintain focus on a subject, making complex shots achievable even for small teams. For serious filmmakers, the Inspire 2 offers precision, versatility, and quality, remaining a top choice for professional production settings. Number 1. DJI Inspire 3 The ultimate filmmaking drone for 2025. Finally, the best drone for filmmakers in 2025 is the DJI Inspire 3. Equipped with a Zenmuse X9 8K gimbal camera, the Inspire 3 supports recording in Cinematography and Apple ProRes RAW, which is crucial for achieving the highest quality during post-production. It uses DJI's new O3 Pro transmission, allowing a 15 kilometers transmission range and dual control mode for more flexible on-set collaboration. One of the standout features is the RTK-powered Waypoint Pro, which allows the Inspire 3 to fly highly accurate, repeatable routes. This is perfect for capturing consistent shots across different times or conditions, ideal for time lapses or complex storytelling sequences. The Inspire 3 also boasts a 28-minute flight time and omnidirectional obstacle sensing, making it the most advanced filmmaking tool available this year. For professionals who demand the absolute best in image quality, versatility, and control, the Inspire 3 is worth every penny of its hefty price tag. And that wraps up our sky-high adventure through the best drones of 2025. If this made your cinematic dreams soar or you're ready to buzz past the competition, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Who knows, maybe your next epic drone shot will make Michael Bay give you a call. And no, he won't need any explosions this time, maybe.